Et bienvenue à notre cours de français. Hello and welcome to French Express Learning. Today, I am happy to introduce a new series of classes called Les Français, langue universelle. Les Français, un langage universel. In this series, we will explore French as a language of communication used all over the world through what practicals and essential topics. In this first lesson of the series, we are going to learn the French numbers, an essential foundation for everyday communication. On va étudier le nombre en français, une fondation qui est essentielle pour la communication de tous les jours. Take your time, listen carefully and repeat after me during the lesson. Let's begin with our lessons. Le nombre de numbers. Le nombre de numbers. Le nombre veut dire numbers. Le nombre. Le nombre. Le nombre. Numbers. Le nombre. Parfait. So we are going to learn numbers. Le nombre. Let's go straight to our first document. We go to our link. And the link. We take us straight to vocabulaire, le nombre. Le vocabulaire, le nombre pour le débutant. Nous allons étudier des 0 à 1 milliard. So we are going to study from 1 to 1 billion. Des 0 à 1 milliard. Le nombre. Numbers from 1 to 1 billion. Des 0 à 1 milliard. So we are going to start from first 0 to 31. De 0 à 31. De 0 à 31. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. So, we learn from 0 to 39. But I say we can go to 31 first. 0 à 31. So, you have here from 0 to 30. I will go back again. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 31. So, you can repeat after me, or you can just click on the link so you can listen to how they are pronouncing.
Zéro, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
Parfait. 30. And we go from 31. 31. So as I say, when it's come to, let's go back to our slides. I said we have 11, we have 21. I mean 21. So, whenever we got at 21, 31, 21, so we add the A. 21. Let's go to 31, gonna be 31. So 21, 31, 41, 51, 61, 71. So we are going, whenever is plus 1, don't forget to put the A. For any other number, you just have to put a, what we call in French, le tiré. So 22, it will just be 20 and 2. So you just pronounce two numbers, 22, 23. Only when it's 21 or 31, you have to add des E. 21, 31, 41. All right. So let's go back to the website. So 30. 30, on a vu 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. 40.
40,
40.
40,
And then 41. 41. 42. 43. 44. 45. 46. 47. 48. 49. And 50. 50.
50,
50. 50. 50. 50. And we go to 51. 51. 51. As I say, with a number plus 1, don't forget to put et 1. 50 et 1. 51. 52. 53. 54. 55. 56. 57. 58. 60.
60,
60.
60,
60.
60,
And we go to 61. 61. 61. 61. 61. 62. 63. 64. 65. 66. 67. 68. 69. 69. So, you know how to read numbers from 0 to 69. From 0 to 69. So, from 0 to 69. We said, you read 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21 is where we must be very careful. 21. 21. We go to 31. We go to 41. We go to 51. We go to 61. So, we should remember these numbers. So, you must add a whenever is the number plus 1. From 20 to 61. So, 21, 21, 31, 41, 51, 61. For the remaining one, you just put the number and you just put the two numbers. Example, 22. Let's go to 22. So, 22, it will just be 22 up to 29. 29. The same will go with 30, 31, and you come back 32 up to 39. And you go to 40, 41, you come back to 42, 43 is to the same you do with 50, 52, 53 up to 59. So remember to put a whenever is that number plus 1. So we can count from 0 to 69. If you have any problem with the pronunciation, you just click the link. You see how they are pronouncing mostly the number from 0 to 21. You go up to 30. So the remaining is just the two numbers that we already know how to pronounce. So second series of number, we go from 70 to 1 billion. So how to pronounce 70 in French? It depends on where you are and how you learn numbers. If you go to Belgium or to the DRC, the Democratic Republic of the Congo, you will hear people saying 70. 70 is 70. But in other French-speaking country, you will hear they say 70. 70. 70. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79. 79 is 79. If you go to Congo, you can hear they say 70. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. 80 is 80. So, please note The only problem that we may face is when we come to 70 in French. These are two ways that we can count 70 in French. 70 in French. 70. So, let's learn the French way to say 70. The French way to say 70 is 70. 70 is 60. 60 is 60. And we add this is 60 plus 10 is what we say 70. 70. 60 and 10. 70. 70. If it's in Congo, we say 70. But let's learn the French way. 70 and 71 is 71. 72 is 73. 73 is 72. I'm sorry. 72. 72. And we go 73 is 73, 74 in 74, 75 is 76, 77, 77, 78, 78, 79, 79. So, please remember when it comes to 70, we combine two big numbers. 60 plus 10 is 70, plus 11 is 71, plus 12 is 72. So we go up to 79 is 79. Please remember that. Let's go back to our note. We go to 80 is 80. 80. Don't forget to put a S on the 20. I mean 20. 80. And we go back to 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, and again, like 70, when it comes to 90, we take the 80 plus the 10. It becomes 90. 90 means 80 plus 10. 90. If you go to Congo or in Belgium, they will say 90. It's the same like 90. But in the most French countries, they say, in many of the French-speaking countries, they will say 90. 90. 91. So you remove the S when the 20 is between two numbers. So the S must fall. 90, 92, 93, 94, 95 is 95, 96, 97, 98, 99 is 99, 99. And then we go to 100. 100 is 100. 100. So, after 100 is the same like we do numbers in English. 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, and 1000. 1000 is 1000. 1000. 2000, 3000, 1100, 1200. So we just count the same way that we count in English. After the 1000, we have 1 million. 1 million. 2 millions. 3 millions. 10 millions. 50 millions. 100 millions. 500 millions. 900 millions. 999 millions. Or 999 millions. 1 milliard is 1 billion. 1 milliard. So this is how we count in French. How we count in French. From 0 to 1 billion. Parfait. So the most important thing now is to practice the numbers. So you know how to do from 21 to 39, from 70 to 79, 90 to 91. And you do the same whenever you are dealing with these numbers. So let's practice with learning apps. Numbers, the most important thing is to practice so you can know how to work with numbers. If you want to memorize, that's not a problem, but I will advise you to practice. We go to learning apps. Learning apps. Let's go to let's go to étiquette. Le nombre. A bit slow, but we are getting there. Let's go to learning apps. So if you have time at home, you can go through the links and practice. There are so many activities that may help you to practice the numbers. So there are also answers. So it will be very easy for you to practice. This from the first link, étiquette nombre, consigne, c'est le nombre en lettres à écrire. Retrouve le nombre demandé en plaçant les étiquettes dans le bon ordre. Retrouve le nombre demandé en plaçant les étiquettes dans le bon ordre. So you click OK. And you may choose any. Let's start with the first one. So let's drop the connection fine. Consigne. Place les étiquettes dans l'ordre pour retrouver le nombre. Means that to put the étiquettes dans l'ordre pour trouver le nombre. So, which numbers they are asking us? Let's see the question. What the question is? Retrouver le nombre demandé en plaçant les étiquettes dans le bon ordre. Quel est le nombre demandé? So, maybe it should be 97 is what I think it must be. 97. That's, I don't know the number they're asking. Surely it may be 97. What is the number 97? Is 97. 97. Let's check. Bravo, tu as trouvé la bonne réponse. 97. OK. So, let's go back here. C'est, they say 28, 6, and OK. Let's go here. So, place les étiquettes dans l'ordre pour retrouver le nombre 79. Place les étiquettes dans l'ordre pour retrouver le nombre 79. OK. 79. Bravo. So this how you can practice. The same here. They say 71. What's the number 71? 71 is 71. 71 is 71. And you can practice. There are so many applications, so many activities that you can practice. 99. What's 99 in French? Is 99. And you check. So, there are so many applications. You can restart. You will change the application and you can work as many as activity that you want to do. So, the next link is with TV5. So, you can just click the link to practice. Okay, let's go here. Okay, with TV5, the same. You're gonna hear the number and you can know what number is that.
Deux. Deux. 3, 4, 15, 50, 60, 100.
So you know, you can hear the number and you write it in letter. En chiffres, en lettres. So you write numbers and here you write it in letters. So you can click the last link. It will take us to the learning apps. Also, you can practice. Ordonne tous les nombres sur l'axe. Les coches bleues sont les endroits où tu dois les placer, où tu dois placer ces nombres. Les nombres sont compris entre 0 et 1000. So you understand the consigne and you start. If it's audio, you hear the audio and you know what number is that.
27.
27. So you must know where to put 27 in this line of X. So maybe you take your audio, whatever, 27 must be somewhere here. Exactly. So practice and it will be fine. Merci, c'est tout pour le nombre. Veuillez pratiquer. Allez sur le link ou les liens et faites des activités sur les nombres. Nous avons étudié les nombres de 0 à 1 milliard. Merci. C'est tout pour aujourd'hui. Je vous retrouve demain. On va étudier l'heure, the time. How to read the time. Because we already learn numbers, so we are able now to read the time. C'est tout pour aujourd'hui. N'oubliez pas d'aimer la vidéo et de vous abonner. Aussi, n'oubliez pas de visiter notre site internet www.frenchexpresslearning.com. As I say in French, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe. Also, visit our website www.frenchexpresslearning.com and download the course material. Thank you. Goodbye. I see you tomorrow. God bless you. Bye-bye.